G'day, how's it going? So today it's 36 degrees and we've come to Dusit Central Park Mall. You might as well go to a mall when it's that hot. So let's go and have a look. There's a few things we want to get that we've been putting off, so why not do it on a day where you can't really walk too far. Although we just walked from Asok to Lumphini Park, which is just over 3 kilometres, so we're looking forward to the aircon when we get into this place. But here we go, we can already feel it. Oh, you can feel it already from here. Oh, that feels so good. So let's go and have a look around. Okay, so I think that I found the photographic spot, judging by all this. Oh, it's pretty nice, isn't it, really? They've done a nice job. So we just come up to level 2 and I think it's all the sports shops. So I'm not sure what you're paying, but it says 5,300. Are these the same price? 5,300, the same. 5,900. Fresh baggage. It's quite cool. Well, let's check out some prices. Some track pants, Adidas. $4,200 Thai baht. How does that compare to you guys, your place? T-shirt. Man, I need my glasses on to see that. 1,900 Thai baht for a t-shirt. We've come up to level 5, and that looks like the, well, I couldn't call it a food court, all the restaurants and coffee shops by the look of it. Oh, we're going for a coffee in there, are we? I just said no, but no good for you. And of course, they've got this amazing park outside that I think spans over 4 levels. So if you want to see the park at night, check out our Christmas video where they had all the Christmas decorations, Christmas tree up. Really nice. Lumphini Park down there. It's beautiful. Okay, we've come down to the ground floor. Now it looks like coffee shops and restaurants as well. Ooh. And pastries. Oh, and the Tops food hall, Tops eatery. Oh, how good do they smell? She's eyeing them up. 100 baht each though. So we're currently on the ground floor and there's one to go. Parkside Market. Wow, it's huge under here too. So that was our look around Dusit Central Park. It's a premium meal, so you're paying premium prices for the food. And to be honest, the sportswear and most stuff, it's probably a similar price to back in your home country. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.